All right, welcome to that. Will be reviewing a product, okay? That is iPhone 11 Pro. Don't mind my face, I'm just waking up from sleep, okay? So let's see some features of the product and how you can make good use of it. So let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the body of the iPhone. First, you can see the back is glass type, okay? And the design I'm using right now is gray color. Then at the front is the screen of the iPhone. You need to protect both the screen and the back. So get to shop where gadgets of iPhone are sold and then make a purchase. Protection is very important. That's one of the things you need to do before you start using the gadget. And because the back is glass type, it makes wireless charging of the iPhone possible. So it's a nice design from Apple. Let's talk about the basic properties of iPhone 11 Pro. Number one is that it comes in three storage spaces. There are those of 64 GB storage, there are those of 256 GB storage, and there are those that are 512 GB storage of space. All iPhone 11 Pro devices has RAM of 4 GB. Then they are water resistant, okay? They can stay as deep as 4 meters and then stay there for 30 minutes without the phone developing fault or issue due to water, okay? Let's talk about the battery capacity of the iPhone. It has a capacity of 3046 mAh. When the battery of the iPhone is fully charged, it can last up to 4 days for you if you don't use it on the internet, and also when you don't use it to play audio or video, okay? On video playback, the battery life can last for up to 18 hours, and on audio playback, it can last up to 65 hours for you. So, you know the situation you find yourself and then know how you want to manage your battery. iPhone 11 has some buttons, okay, by the sides. By this side, you have a mute button, and we have volume up and volume down button, okay, as well. Then by the side here, you have the side button, okay. You can use that to power the iPhone on. So let's now power on this iPhone. For us to do that, I'll press and hold, okay, on the side button for a few seconds. Once you see the Apple logo appear on the phone, just as you can see on the screen right now, then you know it is powered on. From there, we can do other things. So wait for a few minutes for it to be fully powered on, okay? Once the device is powered on, you will see the lock screen like this. And for you to open it fully, just swipe up. Okay, once you open the iPhone, you will see the home screen, just as you can see right now. Okay, if we want to access the controls, all right, just swipe down from the top right. Okay, you will see the controls of the iPhone 11 Pro. If you want to increase brightness, drag up. Okay, if you want to reduce, drag down. All right, then this is the volume. If you want to increase the volume, drag up on the slider. All right. If you want to reduce, you still drag down. Though you can still control the volume by the through the side buttons. Are you getting that? So anyhow you want to through the volume buttons by the side of the phone. All right. So if you want to use touch, look at the button here. If you want to record screen, look at the screen recorder there. So there are a lot you can do through the control. All right. This is the internet signal section. Just turn on and turn off. Okay, just as it is on now. If you want to turn it off, tap on it. All right, if you want to turn it on, tap on it. Okay, this is Bluetooth for Bluetooth connections. All right, this is flight mode, but I don't need that actually. So this is focus. If you want to activate the focus mode, just tap and it's focused. All right, the focus mode is activated. do not disturb is activated, so no incoming internet notifications and the rest, any kind of notification. You are focused at that point in time. Okay, so let's go look at some other things you can do here. If you want to access notifications on the iPhone, it's simple. Swipe down from the top left. Okay, you will see these notifications that show up on your device. All right, so it's as simple as that. iPhone 11 Pro has very sound camera. Okay, so on your iPhone, if you want to use the camera app, tap on the camera and ensure that for you to have a quality snapshot, you have to make sure that there is enough lightning, okay, in your area. This will give you sound capture. Okay, so you press on the capture button to capture what you want to get. Okay, if the lightning is not sound, you may get poor quality camera picture. All right, then it has video, so you to use the video, tap on the video icon, video tab, then tap on record to start recording. Okay, then if you want to stop, just tap on stop. Okay, now it can record it can record in HD and in 4K. To switch from HD to 4K, tap on the HD section and you have been switched to 4K. Okay, and from there you can start recording what you want to capture. All right, also is a classy product. Here it may not look that bright because the lighting here is not that good. If I go out and I get that in the natural light, you will see the difference. After you capture photos and do video recording, there is a way you can access them. For you to access both photos and videos on your phone, just use the Photos app. So tap on the Photos app and it will open the gallery. All right, so you can take a look at some snapshots you took and also some videos you recorded on your device. If you want to install apps on iPhone 11 Pro, just go through the App Store. Look at the App Store here. So tap on it. Once you tap on the App Store and it opens, tap on the search and then type the name of the application you want to install. Once it shows up, tap on Get and start the installation. All right. So here are suggested apps to me if I want to use it. If I want to install any of them, I'll tap on Get, and as it wants to install, I will tap on the side button twice and the installation starts. It's as simple as that. Gaming on iPhone 11 is classy. You understand? Very, very classy. So you will enjoy it. It's something very cool to do, just as you can see on the screen right now. Okay, thank you for taking time to watch through this video on iPhone 11 Pro product review. If there is a question you have, please leave it in the comment section. If there's something you want me to touch on the iPhone 11 Pro, just let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe by hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button, and see you next time.